day everyone, today I will demonstrate the proper use of triangular bandage. So first, close the right tail and the left tail. And switch it here on the other one. After that, close it and pinch here in here. Pinch it inside and it should be like this. After that, close again for the second time and pinch in here, in this side. Next, after that, close again and pinch in here, in this side. Okay. So this is how you properly do the triangular bandage. Yes. And this it should look like. Yes. Yes. Next is to overlap in the patient's arm and do it again. And at the third time, close again. Yes. So next is we will do the square knot. Right over left and left over right. So this is how must be look like. So next is how to get out of this square knot. First, pull this side and pull the other side. Yes. And get the triangular bandage of the patient's arm. And there you have it. This is how you do the triangular bandage. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Yes, thank you! How to tie a square knot. For easy to remember, memorize the right over left, left over right. So first is hold one end of the bandage in each hand. Cross the right end over the left end. Bring it under and pull it through to make the first tie. Next, cross the left end over the right end. Bring it under and pull it through again. Pull both ends gently and tighten. The knot should lie flat. This means it's a square knot and it should be like this. But to pull it over, pull this side and pull this. So this is how you do the square knot. That's all. Thank you.